Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, hello, my name is Anne, and if you have been here already, welcome back. Today I'm teaming up again with Easy Paris XL and Be Creative Makeup to create a soft party makeup look because it's their 7-year anniversary, which is amazing. So therefore I'm gonna create this makeup look. I created a really nice wearable party makeup look that you can actually wear for a lot of occasions. I created this golden wing liner, which I think is really cute. Also, for those who are wondering, I am not naked. I'm wearing a crop top, which kind of makes it look like I'm not wearing anything, but don't worry, I am wearing clothes. But yeah, this is the makeup look that I created. It's really soft, it's glowy, but still you can wear it for so many special occasions. Or even for work, or if you just want to stay at home in quarantine, you can wear it for any occasion you want to. But yeah, this is the look that I'm gonna show you today. So we're just gonna get started. I hope you guys are gonna enjoy. So the first thing I'm gonna do is prime my eyelids. What this is gonna do, it's gonna make sure that my eyeshadow is gonna stay flawless all day, and it's also going to remove redness from the eyelid. Then now next I took a bronzer with a blending brush and I'm going to blend it straight in my crease area. This is kind of going to warm up my crease and also create a shadow. You can use any bronzer that you have at home or which you like. You just want to kind of warm up the whole crease area. Then now next I'm going in with this Be Creative Makeup liquid liner in this golden color from the Sunset collection. Such a beautiful color and actually really nice for summer or if you have a special occasion. So I'm just going to create like a wing liner. So I'm starting with creating a line above the lash line. Now after applying the line above the lash line at both sides of my eyes, I'm going to create a line from the outer corner of the eyelid towards the outer end of the eyebrow. I'm not going to do like a super dramatic long wing. I'm gonna actually keep it quite cute and tiny. If you recreate this makeup look and you want the wing to be a little bit more further towards your eyebrow, of course you can do that and give your own twist to it. And then this is how it looks so far. Now the next step is of course going in with some mascara. I'm going to use this one, which was so nice. You will see it at the end result, but it actually made my lashes look so nicely lifted. So I didn't even feel like I needed fake lashes. So of course I'm gonna apply it on the upper lashes and on the bottom lashes as well. I know some people actually don't like to use it on their lower lashes, but what this is gonna do, it's gonna really open up the eyes and make your eyes appear bigger. So I always apply it on the lower lashes as well. So the eyes are now finished and I wanted to go in with some fake lashes, but I actually really like how my lashes are currently looking. I only use the mascara, which I think looks really good on me. And I feel like maybe if I would go in with fake lashes, it would hide the eyeliner that I created. So I think I'm just gonna keep it this way. As you can see, I have already applied my foundation and concealer. But before I applied my foundation, I used the Be Creative Makeup Glow Maximizing Photo Perfecting Face Primer, which is a really beautiful product. It has a really subtle golden sparkle, but when you apply it, it's not gonna make your skin feel like really sticky. It's just gonna make it glowy, but without making it look sticky, which is really nice. So I have been using this underneath my foundation, and what I really like about it is that it is like a glowy product, but it's not gonna make your skin feel really sticky or make it glowy in a way that is gonna feel sticky, if that makes sense. I have combination skin, so I don't like hydrating glowy primers most of the time because it's just gonna make my face look even more glowy as it already is. So a product like this is actually really nice because it does feel like really matte when you apply it, but it will still have the luminosity in it. So yeah, I really like it. So now the next thing I'm gonna do is first bronze my face. This is always the first step I do after applying my foundation, and concealer and all of that. I just feel like my skin looks really like one color, so I want to like create some shadows. The sun comes from above, so you want to focus on the highest points of your face, which is of course your forehead, but also the cheekbones. You can also apply it on your nose. I'm not a huge fan of that, but if you do like it, you can also bronze up your nose a little bit. And I'm also applying a little bit on my ears. Sometimes I forget my ears, and then they will always look a little bit more pale in comparison to my face. So don't forget your ears. The next, I'm gonna take the Be Creative Makeup Highlighting Palette, which looks like this. It's really beautiful. It has 4 colors, which I think would all look really good on my skin complexion. They're not too dark, so I'm going in with the color Sun Glow, which is the golden one. I think it's gonna look really good in combination with the eyeliner. I'm going to apply it a little bit on my cheekbones. And I'm using a dry brush, and you can see that the pigmentation is really nice. Then also a little bit on my forehead. Not too much, because it does sometimes make me look a bit oily instead of glowy. And I'm also gonna take a little bit on a tiny pencil brush and use it for the inner corner of my eye. Now I'm going in with this beautiful pinky peach shade, which is in the number 003 Precious. It's kind of like a peachy pink shade, which is my favorite kind of blush color. So I'm using a blush brush, and I'm gonna apply it on the apples of my cheeks. And actually the reason why I apply my highlighter before a blush is because I feel like applying your blush afterwards is gonna make the blush blend into the highlighter instead of the highlighter kind of laying on top of your blush. So I like to do it in this order. So I'm going to kind of like smile and blend it on the apples of my cheeks. Absolutely love how this color looks on me. It looks really fresh and peachy. Absolutely love it. So now the only thing I have to do is apply some lipstick. Today I'm gonna use this color from Be Creative Makeup as well. It's in the color 002 Hope, and it's from the Matte Madness lipstick line. These are incredibly pigmented, and the shade I'm actually gonna wear today is not a typical shade that I would normally go for, but I do think it looks really beautiful. And I think it actually matches really nicely with the blush, as you can see. It has kind of the same undertone, and I think it's just gonna look really beautiful. It's something different than nude, but it's still like a light neutral color, so I'm really excited. I'm gonna take a lip liner in kind of a similar shade as the lipstick, and I'm first gonna line my lips. So the lip liner is on, so I'm now going in with the lipstick. Applying it directly on the lips. And then this is the end result. I really hope you all like how it turned out. I am absolutely surprised by this lip color. I think it looks really beautiful. I think this is like kind of like a perfect everyday lipstick color that I think a lot of people will like. I also love the eyes. I love the subtle golden liner, and it looks so subtle. I felt like this eyelid was gonna look really intense for some reason, but I actually think it looks really soft. So I think this will be like a perfect party makeup for someone that doesn't like it to be too heavy, but still wants to do something a little bit more different. So yeah, I just hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you did enjoy, this is really helpful for my YouTube channel. A big thank you to Be Creative Makeup and Easy Paris Excel for teaming up with me on this video, and a huge congratulations on their 7-year anniversary. I will make sure to link all the products I used in this video in the description bar in case you want to purchase any of the products or just check out their website or their collection. So yeah, I want to say thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!